there? Let me take a closer look.
Space, it's called a heat warning or a heat wave. Don't you know anything? Let me
No.
see. Well, looks hot. Maybe we should find a little spot to cool off.
Yeah, you're right.
Maybe upstairs. Up we go.
Up.
Stop being so slow, Space.
Well, Sky, you have fast legs.
Hee, fast. I'm like a motorbike. Vroom. We're here. Look at all these seeds. Yum.
Yummy, right? But isn't it more hotter here?
No, I think it's more cooler.
No, Sky, it's getting hotter. You just might stay up here and eat these, I don't know, sea things.
Well, Space, maybe we can find something to help us. Let's explore.
Okay, let's go.
Space, what's that?
I think it's called a spoon or a spooner.
I think it's a spooner. I think the spooner is quite scary, but it has buttons and it gives wind.
Yeah, I don't think you should press that.
I'm gonna press a button.
No,
Beep, 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 beep. Space? Huh?
it's like
What's
reversing
happening?
and reversing. Fast, slow,
Yeah.
fast, slow.
Whoa, it's going slower, Space. It looks like a scary weapon. We should run.
Yeah, let's leave.
Maybe down would be nice. You know the down.
You mean the basement?
Maybe. Let's go. Bye-bye.
Whoa, you're so good at flying.
Come on, slow coach.
I'm not a slow coach.
Okay. Where are owners taking us, Space?
The basement, Sky, the basement.
Okay. Oh, this is the basement. We're on the carpet. Look at the seeds.
They're so cool. They're new and they're just so, I don't know, they're so tasty.
Cold. Space, this leather couch is nice and all, but it's kind of cold. Look at these invisible seeds.
Sky, it's kind of cold.
But look at the invisible seed, Space.
But I think before was better, you know.
Okay, maybe
Where we were
you're
before,
right.
where I came
I want to go home. Invisible seeds.
Let's go back up.
Yeah, maybe it'll be better there, where we were. Why did we explore for no reason, Space?
We didn't. We found new seeds, okay?
Okay. Let's go home. Run.
Woohoo!
I'm gonna go up before Space and say the end. And jump. Okay. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.
Hey, wait. Sky, did you say without me?
Yeah, you're too slow.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Goodbye.
Hey, Space, come back here. I already said that. You're always so jealous when I do things without you.
Our very first bloopers.
We're having a very hard time. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell for the notifications.
I'm
Boop! Up the stairs of wisdom. Space, it might be hotter up here.
Yeah, it might be hotter. Wait, do you mean colder?
I meant hotter, okay?
No, actually, it's supposed to mean colder.
Oops.
Waddle, 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 waddle.